Hello, hello. Welcome back to my channel. What are the quotes for today? Happiness makes up in height for what lacks in length. Robert Frost. The meaning of life is to find your gift. The purpose of life is to give it away. Definiteness of purpose is the starting point of all achievement. Tell me and I forget. Teach me and I may remember. Involve me and I learn. And the last one today. If you hear a voice within you say, "You cannot paint," then by all means paint, and that voice will be silenced. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.